everybody, it's Miss Anna. I'm here in the studio and I wanted to make a little video tutorial for everybody on how we're going to be doing our online lessons for the next little while here. I know a whole bunch of you guys have used video chats before, maybe to talk with friends, to talk with relatives. A lot of you guys have used online learning for various things in school and other classes, and several of you have also used FaceTime for us to do some makeup lessons during this semester. So we are going to be using an app called Zoom for our lessons going forward. I think it's really going to be great. It's really easy to use, and I just wanted to make a short video to show us all how to use it. So let's get started. First, you're going to receive an email from me inviting you to our meeting, also known as our piano lesson. When you open the email, you can click on the link to join Zoom meeting, and you can also click on the link to add the meeting to your calendar. You'll also see a meeting ID number and a password, but we won't be using that at all. Once you click on the link, a web page will open, and it will prompt you to either join the meeting or to download the Zoom app if Zoom is new to you. You can download the app from the Google Play Store or the App Store for Apple products. If you've already used Zoom, open the app and sign in if you need. Then tap Join Meeting. It may ask you for the meeting ID at this point. You can also see a list of scheduled piano lessons in Meetings. Once you click on it, it will show you all the meetings that you can join. Once you've joined a meeting, make sure to allow your device to use video and audio. It will give you a couple of prompts, and just be sure and click OK. And then we'll be in business. I can see you and hear you, and we're ready to go. Yay! Here's a couple suggestions on how to place your devices. If you're using a phone, try and prop it in the corner of the keyboard next to the keys, kind of like we see here. It gives you a good close-up view of the keyboard. It makes it easy for me to see your hands. If you're using a laptop or a desktop, here's an example of how I have my computer set up for our lesson. I have it on a table close to the keys, and I even put a few thick books underneath my computer to get it up a little higher above the keys. The important thing is that it doesn't have to be perfect. Just remember that we'll work this out together through experimentation and trial and error. The most important thing is that you get a little extra piano practice time and guidance from me. The main thing is that we get to keep making music and sharing it together. And we get to start back to lessons next week. Yay! So it's going to be a really good way for me to get to see you, to check in on how your piano is going, to share new music, and just to keep creativity and music as part of all of our lives, which is a really super important thing.